In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer using OBS. This is perfect if you want a short intro before your stream starts, a break screen with a timer, or a professional-looking starting soon scene. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along, even if you're new to OBS. First, open OBS on your computer and make sure you have a scene selected where you want the countdown to appear. This could be your main starting soon scene, or any other scene you use before going live. If you don't have one yet, create a new scene and name it something meaningful so you can find it easily later. Next, we're going to add the countdown text. In the Sources panel at the bottom, click the plus icon and choose Text. Give this text source a clear name, like Countdown Timer, so you'll know what it is at a glance. Once the Properties window opens, pick a font you like, adjust the size, and choose a color that stands out against your background. For now, type in a placeholder like 0005 if you want a 5-minute timer. You'll see it appear in your preview, and you can drag it to position it where you want on the screen. Now, to turn that text into a working countdown, we'll use a simple script or filter approach depending on your version of OBS and what's available. Most countdown setups rely on a script that automatically updates the text every second. In OBS, go to the Tools menu and look for the Scripts option. From there, you can add a countdown script file you've downloaded from a trusted community source. Once it's loaded, you can select your text source in the script settings and type in how many seconds you want the countdown to run for. The script will then handle updating the text for you as it counts down. After that's configured, return to your scene and test it. Start the countdown from the script panel or the control you've set up, and watch the timer in your preview window. If the text looks too small, too large, or hard to read, go back into the text source properties and adjust the font size, color, or style. You can also add a background, outline, or drop shadow if you want the numbers to stand out more. Once you're happy with how it looks and behaves, your countdown timer is ready to use in your streams or recordings.